Hi there. Excuse me. Hi there and welcome back. I've got my latest kit. I've not named it as yet. I'm kind of waiting to see what Denise calls it. So I'm just going to go with Elegance. I was kind of thinking botanical elegance, and yeah, I just can't come up with a name at this moment in time. It is available in my Patreon shop, and it'll be available in a few weeks on Etsy. Like I say, Denise is going to be using this kit. Excuse me. Okay, so I think it's 35 pages in total. So these are like the journal pages. I know Denise likes these ones. Okay. So it's a bit Art Deco-y. Which is kind of why I want the elegance in. Don't know, there's something about, you know, the Art Deco period. Look at this, alright. I can say it looks really realistic. Another journal page. I don't know if you can see the splatters of paint. It's lovely embroidered page. And another. So they're kind of, you know, what you would call pages. These can also be used as pages, but there's no, you know, middle section. But obviously you could just fold them in half. So we've got that one. Okay. Just done these on white for a change. I normally do it on cream. These are already grunged up around the sides. It can be used really either way, and obviously so can the pattern ones. You can either use them as landscape or portrait. Okay, and then the last sheet is this one, which I've backed everything in, but that's you know, another sheet. So they are the papers for the kit. These next two that I'm going to show you are freebies on Patreon, on the paid Patreon. So we've got this one, which is kind of like a tick-in on like a handmade paper. I don't know if you can see all that in the background. It's really very nice. And then we've got a page here with some blossoms on and some little bits to cut out. Okay, so that's up on Patreon. It's been up there for a couple of weeks. This is the rest of the kit. So we've got some tickets, all kinds of tickets, and some labels here. Okay, with some little ephemera type pieces. Love this piece. It'll be great for either a toe tag or a belly band or a side tuck. Got some cut parts. Excuse my wonky printing. It, you know, it doesn't come out like that. It doesn't come out properly. So we've got lots of different butterflies. Some florals. And we've got a couple of different ephemera pieces. This is like either a tiny card, or you could put some papers in it. We've got the butterfly wings, what was in another kit. I think Denise enjoyed using that, so I thought I'd put that in again. And then this can be used in, you know, different ways. You could cut those off and use them on something else, and cut those into 2s or 1s, or it's supposed to go, you know, like that. I think I've backed everything. This, I don't think this is in the kit, this one. Okay, that's that one. Got this piece, and these 2 pieces. And those 2. And we've got 4, you know, journal card type things. They obviously don't have to be used as journal cards. You could cut them, and, you know, you've got 2 either notebooks or folding journal cards. You could obviously, those ones you could use as pockets. These are obviously 1K, they're not 1K in the kit. So it's 4 beautiful ladies. And then 4 more journal card type things. This one, which you can either cut apart, or it could be a page. You could cut these apart, or it could be a page. Same with that. You can have it as a page or not. It could be just big journal cards if you're doing a big journal. So that is the full kit. Like I said, I think there's 35 pages, and I'll just show you what they look like printed 2 to a page. So obviously the ones that I said you could use as pages now are journal card type things, or obviously you could do it as a little notebook. It's surprising, once you change the size, it makes it into something totally different. And I think printing them, you know, 2 to a page obviously gives you a lot more scope for making things. That one's the freebie. And I've got the fussy cut pieces, and the photos, and these frames. You can either leave this background in, or you can obviously cut round it. And then that one and that one. So that's the new kit. I don't know if Denise will have started this by the time this video comes up, or if it'll be after. But yeah, that's the kit, and yeah, it's going to be something elegance. So we'll see if Denise gives me any ideas. Sometimes just watching it kind of yeah, gives me an idea. It's funny seeing it here and then seeing somebody else using it. So thank you very much, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for a bit of crafting. Okay, until then, bye for now. Take care. Bye.